The Boston area facility is Catalent's global center of excellence for inhalation dry powders for both pulmonary and nasal delivery. The site has over 20 years of experience in inhalable dry powders, and Catalent is the only CDMO globally to offer end-to-end spray drying, capsule filling, and blister packaging capabilities from development through clinical and commercial manufacturing. Prior to beginning our tour, a few welcoming remarks from Catalent's site manager, Gordon Ashton.
Hi, I'm Gordon Ashton, General Manager of the Boston facility. On the behalf of our 80 Boston associates, welcome to Catalent Boston. I'm pleased to provide you this glimpse of our state-of-the-art facility and introduce you to our unmatched expertise in the development, optimization, and commercialization of dry inhalable powders. The key to our success is our process expertise and the relationships we build with our clients. Our objective is to build a strong partnership that meets your needs and provides solutions to your challenges. The Boston team prides itself in providing exceptional service and products of exceptional quality that bring better treatments to market. This is driven by Catalent's patient-first culture, one that puts the patient at the center of our work to ensure safety, reliable supply, and optimal performance of products. We look forward to partnering with you on your next inhaled molecule, from development all the way through to commercial launch.
Before beginning the tour, the first step is to don the required gowning. Strict gowning procedures are employed at Catalent to ensure the safety and integrity of our products, as well as to comply with regulatory standards. Now that we have put on the required gowning, let's begin our tour. Spray drying is one of the core capabilities at Catalent Boston. The site is designed to produce and collect fine powders for orally inhaled products and powder particulates for intranasal drug delivery. Spray drying can also be used for higher-dosed products, proteins, peptides, macromolecules, and vaccines to be formulated as dry powders. The spray drying process enables the engineering of inhalable lactose-free particles with improved pulmonary delivery, and the site has experience optimizing the geometric particle size, morphology, density, and targeted aerodynamic particle size distribution. The facility offers clinical to commercial scale manufacturing capabilities and is also implementing highly potent capabilities. On-site equipment includes GEA Niro PSD1, PSD4, and PSD7 spray dryers, which are all able to handle aqueous and solvent-based solutions or suspensions. The PSD7 spray dryer is the largest pharmaceutical cGMP unit of its kind in North America and is a necessary scale to efficiently manufacture many inhalation spray-dried products. Inhalation powder filling is a complex process influenced by the powder density, mechanical properties, surface texture, hydroscopicity, and electrostatic charge. Catalent Boston has state-of-the-art Harrow-Hoflager equipment with inline 100% mass verification and can reproducibly deliver high-accuracy fill weights. Encapsulation is performed under low humidity conditions, which is important for the stability and performance of inhaled dry powders. Capsule filling is the perfect solution for extremely cohesive or low-density products and provides an integrated offering for inhaled powders produced by spray drying. Once the capsules are filled, they are then packaged in blister packs. Catalent Boston offers commercial-scale capabilities with PharmaWorks high-speed blister packaging lines and PharmaMed blister sleeving, as well as clinical-scale lines. Blister-based DPIs offer high-accuracy dosing, maintain product integrity, tamper protection, and are suitable for moisture-sensitive drugs, making them an effective and user-friendly inhalation dosage form. Having the spray drying manufacturing, capsule filling, and blistering packaging under one roof is extremely important for the integrity of the inhaled dry powder. Not only does it ensure a more efficient manufacturing process, but it also enables Catalent to reliably supply quality products to clinic, market, and patients. Manufacturing activities are complemented by an on-site 7,850 square foot analytical development and quality control lab, with capabilities to support both clinical phase and commercial programs. Analytical services include raw material and API release testing, in-process and final product release testing, method development, method verification, along with on-site stability storage and stability program management. Inhaled product testing services include delivered dose uniformity, particle size distribution by both laser diffraction and aerodynamic technology, X-ray diffraction, and thermal gravimetric analysis. Catalent Boston's 15,200 square foot warehouse provides a temperature-controlled environment with advanced sample and inventory management systems. Separate loading docks are designed to handle all incoming goods and released finished products. Catalent's innovative solutions and superior technologies are driven by our mission of bringing better treatments to patients worldwide. Catalent Boston proudly puts the patient at the center of our work every day to help people live better and healthier lives. On behalf of Catalent, thank you for joining us on this tour of the Boston site. Our vision is to be the #1 development and manufacturing partner for drug innovators by offering comprehensive solutions built on best-in-class technology and scientific expertise. We look forward to partnering with you to help deliver your inhaled molecule from any point in development through product launch and beyond.